Hey there, I'm Rita Bearcat and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining for the first time, this is day 22 of 30 days of art challenges. I sent these out to my subscribers on my email list, and I will leave a link below if you would like to subscribe, and I could send those to your inbox. This is an art journal page that I had done the background. Actually, I just really cleaned my stamp on the page rather than just wiping it off. So I just kept stamping on the page with one of my stamps, and that's going to be our base for our page today. So today I am using watercolor on top of fibrous papers. It has some texture to it because it has fiber already in it, and using this little I had a little piece of scrapbook paper with the little bird on it that you saw, and then the little embellishment, the ephemera piece is that says grateful on it, a grateful heart, is one of my collections. It's from the Be True collections of ephemera that I have in the shop that I drew, that I also did with watercolor before I ever drew it and put these little pieces of ephemera together so that people can use them in their journals and scrapbooking and stuff. So I'm just adhering that to the page because I needed to break up all of this pattern, and really I just literally stamped all over it and did a little bit of watercolor. And then I thought, but it just didn't look finished and it didn't look done. So I knew I needed to add some elements to this page. So that's why I went ahead and put these pieces together. And I'm adding just a little few elements on the other side to kind of balance the two pages and bring the two pages together. And then after it was all over, I just wanted to add a little bit more color to make it just more cohesive and make the pages work together well. And so a lot of times I will do this type of thing. So I will wipe my stamps, or I'll clean my brushes on another page of my journal instead of wasting that paint or that ink or whatever I'm using. And it makes a good starting point when I'm working on a new page. Especially if you don't know what to do or you don't know where to start, at least you're not starting from a completely blank white page. So I knew I needed to darken this up a little bit to make the background more subtle, so that's what I'm doing now. So just adding a light wash of blue to kind of match the rest of the embellishments that I added to the page. So this journal is the 6x9, which is a medium journal, and I am working on mixed media paper, which is sewn into the journal. This journal also has canvas pages as well. And the stamp that's in the background is one of my floral stamps with art foamies. So I'm doing a little drying, just making sure everything looks good. And I'm super happy with the way it came out, and it didn't take very long. Of course, not as fast as this video goes, but you get the idea. So I hope that you like this page. If you do, if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want those art journal prompts, go ahead and sign up on the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.